Hello boys, pretty late video today. I didn't really want to back test low key, but you gotta do the fucking shit you don't want to do, so. So I'm gonna do my week's worth of data as usual. I'd say my goal for today, other than just taking smart trades, is just keeping shit simple and not trying to force a setup. Because we saw that the other day. So, say the daily's looking bullish. The hour looks like we had a flip and then we kind of chopped and we're bullish again. Looks like that's our previous week high up there that we'll draw to. Then unfilled 4-hour gap here that we can draw to. Strong draws above. Below, we still have our new week opening gap. I think so. I won't say if that's bearish or bullish. You kind of have to see when price draws into it what it does. Lower time frame, sweep, break structure up. We're looking bullish. Inside this 30-minute gap there, but I don't pay too much attention to that. Obviously, we're respecting our bullish gaps, and then when we displace down here, instantly flip back up, correct that. No news Monday, so we'll see how this goes. So, me being bullish, let's see. Not there on the 30. If anything, see price draw into that 15-minute gap, 5-minute gap there. Oh God, bro. Yeah, I can't look for SMTs, which is kind of buns, but it's fine. Okay, we run through that fair value gap. Let's take our London lows. Want a quick reaction. First 15-minute candle, bearish, but it's displacement candle. So liquidity sweep. We didn't get a strong or fast reaction. Okay, well there's the strong part of it. We had to chop it up for a little bit, but that's fine. Inverse value gap. We're gonna see price probably draw into this gap. I'll look for a inversion. See about the 5. We're inside this 5-minute too. Strong reaction off of the 5. That's a 15-minute bearish gap too. But then we run through that one. Honestly, bro, I should just stay off the 1 unless I'm going for entries, because it's just a lot of noise. I feel like here, obviously we can see we try and draw back up. Drew into premium, fair value gap, reject. We didn't take this low though, which is why I don't want to be bearish right now. That's kind of a deal breaker. Because if we really had bearish intent, we should have flipped order flow and continued heading down here. That's what I normally like to see. Might prove to be a not super good Monday. Failing to clear this gap again. We crawl through it, but there's another one just waiting. Yeah, and that's the end, so. Okay, I'm not too worried about that. You can't really expect a whole lot from a Monday. Okay, now what we did here, took our London lows, got a huge, nice little V-shaped recovery here, or not, wait, okay, what am I talking about? Well, we did, so we had our Asia lows, we had our London lows. Asia highs were taken out by London session. We leave our London highs, but between London and New York, sweep down, took both of the session lows, get this V shape here. That's nice, little reversal there. It's saying we're bullish on the day right now. Okay, it's our previous week. Monday, previous day high. And you also have this previous day low. On the hour, just a bit choppy. See, we displace up and into this gap, kind of reject it, but we don't break structure, we don't continue to be bearish. We just displace through this hourly gap too, and we swept liquidity, and then looks like we're gonna trek back up through this. At least that's what I'd like to see. With our low time frame trends looking pretty bullish right now, considering we just swept that, we very well could head up to this previous day high, intermediate high. I mean London high, intermediate high, previous day high. So let's that's London highs taken. And off of taking them, we do not react we do not get a bearish reaction. Now it's alright. There's no news. We had 8:30 news. Let's see where that is. 8:30 candle, jack shit. So it looks like it's just going to be a trend off market open day. You see, we run up, we take our London highs. We do get a reaction in the form of this little wick here, and then we reject down, but it's not enough to break structure back to the downside. Obviously, if it can't do it on the low time frame, didn't do it on the higher time frames. We are just running through this, and then we get the fair value gap respected with a strong follow through. That is perfect criteria for an entry for me. And then I kinda About 150 points away is our previous day high. With it being 942, we probably have I'm counting on us having a lot of juice left in order to get this done here. So I'm in for longs. This is like really good setup. Just stand, obviously, when you see this, no clear sign of rejection off taking our highs. We just run through them. Rejecting that fair value gap again. First 15-minute candle says extremely bullish. Okay. The only thing I did do is enter into a trade where we're running through these big bearish gaps. Oof, and that could prove to be a bit difficult for us. But we should just run through them if we actually want to be bullish. What are we doing here? Okay, let's keep it pumping. Keep it pushing, brother. And then we run through. Oh my gosh, we're chopping pretty badly right now. And displaced through, stopped out. So maybe EK. Well, that's not a great way to start the fucking day. I mean, bro. I was so confident that we'd be bullish. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know about that. Guess I'm wrong. Maybe. Let's just be in for a value gap. Maybe that was dumb. Then we just fucking chop. I fucking love it, bro. I love this price action. It's just so beautiful. I just love when we fucking chop. And chop and chop and chop and chop. So fucking great, bro. It's awesome. Easiest price action to trade too. Yeah, fuck off. And then we're fucking making huge ass moves in London Asia session. Bull session lows are there, London highs are there. It's gotta be a news event. 8:30 retail sales. Well, London actually is not 8:30. I don't know what's causing these fucking volatility spikes during London session, but it's there's our 8:30 retail sales candle. It did absolutely jack fucking shit. On the day, where do we want to go? Well, I was proven wrong yesterday when I wanted to be bullish, but we turned out to be pretty bearish. As we wake up and kind of fill this little gap here. I don't know. Alright. Fair value gap inverse. Probably looking to be bearish. Equilibrium's getting pretty ran through. Okay. So yeah, probably look for a continuation lower. And we have some just 4-hour lows that we can target. Okay. Looks like we're chopping, breaking out. Don't actually get the closure that we want. You have 30-minute bearish for value gap. Do I think price is gonna go take out London highs? Probably not if we're bearish. So let's see what we do. This gap filled, rejected off of. Not creating bullish gaps. 15-minute gap, reject. It's 9:44. Break of structure to the downside on the 1 minute falling. Boom, rejection. 30-minute rejection. 5-minute rejecting. respected, causing a nice follow through there. What do we have? London lows, Asia lows. Can't be more textbook than this. Coming into the day with the bearish bias. What do? Sweep liquidity off market open. Tap a higher time frame gap, as well as all these low time frame gaps. Boom. Get a change in the state of direction. We flip order flow. We're going down now. This fair value gap on the 1 minute just got respected, and now we're inversing it. Or not inversing. Respecting it. No, I mean we're respecting it, and we're getting a strong reaction off of it. What do you know? The 4.25. See, where's our 5 minute gap? Just about there. Okay. For me, honestly, when we do this, no reason for us, when we've been bearish on these lower time frame, is there really any reason for us not to go down here? Like, come on now. Be pretty on track to putting the risk heavy on this trade. I'm confident that we can keep dumping here. Five-minute candle closure. We create a new gap there. That price can draw it back into. 3-minute candles. Rejection off the 3-minute gap. Nice. Okay. What time is it? Gonna get our 10 close. On the 4. 4-hour candle closer. Super bearish. 1-hour candle closer. Super bearish. Displacing through gap. 30-minute bearish. Displaced through gap. 15-minute bearish. Displaced through gap. So, considering how bearish we are, we should not get a strong reaction off of taking our London low. We should run through it. Even still, I'm going to move up my stop to break even. We do have a protected high here. Bro, come on. We're inside a 3-minute gap. We are inside, not quite yet, a 5-minute gap. Well, actually, I guess you can expect there to be a retrace when we've just been going down. And right there. Okay, well, actually, I won't move break even just yet. Because at break even is right where equilibrium is. And if we can draw into premium and sell off again, we'd also be drawing into 5-minute gap, 3-minute, 1 minute. Keep dumping, buddy. I might just be done for the day, because, bro, are you fucking serious? Really? I just don't even know what to say. What did I do wrong? For me, that was a flawless fucking trade. For me, that was a textbook setup. For me, that was, bro, like, oh my god. We were in premium, so we should sell off. Bearish bias. Bias obviously got disrespected. Yeah, there's direction. Yes, we filled imbalances. our trend, exhausted because we're fucking pumping up now. I don't know why. Yeah, took London low and then fucking delivered up for some reason, even though we've been bearish the entire fucking day. Like, oh my god. I just don't understand how this happens. Typically, when you're bearish for so, and when you have bearish intent, you're not gonna deliver off of taking a low. You know, people say that, like, this is the type of shit that makes your win rate. You can't win 100% of trades. Well, it looks like I'm winning like 30% of my trades, bro, and I'm doing the exact same shit every time. And sometimes I win, because sometimes I take trades. They make sense. Why wouldn't they? I take trades that make sense. And other people's systems, bro, I have a strategy that I stick to that, like, other people have proven that it works. I'm trying to prove that it works for me, and it's just not. Like, is it me not following my rules? I felt like I followed my rules perfectly that trade. I didn't FOMO in as soon as I saw this huge displacement down. I waited for a fucking fair value gap to respect, and then I entered. Or, yeah, I didn't fucking enter longs when I see this liquidity sweep, when I see that we're gonna leave these. Bro, I followed my rules and I lose. It's annoying. It's like, it's fucking painful, bro. Like, it's actually fucking painful. Like, when I see this, bro, this actually fucking, like, hurts my soul. Like, what the fuck am I looking at? Well, just again, I just don't even want to I don't want to trade after that, bro. This shit actually wrecks me. I took 2 trades that I thought had good analysis. They made complete sense to take, especially this one, bro. This was like textbook. This was literally textbook. And now it gets to a point, bro, because this trade is an exception, but usually I'm taking like 1 to 1, 1.5 to 1. my take, like, I don't make a lot more than I lose. I rely on my win rate being higher than 50% in order to make money. I'll tell you right now, if I keep this shit up, my win rate's not going to be higher than 50%, bro. Typically, I'm risking 1K. I risked heavy on this trade because I was pretty damn fucking certain it was going to dump. And what do? Well, we dump and then react off a fucking low and shoot up. Like, it makes no sense considering inversion of this huge fair value gap that's present on every time frame. Just respecting our bearish gaps in general, bro. Being in a bearish trend, and then we reverse off of a London low. Like, oh my god. I know I'm gonna get pissed off, but I want to see what we do here. I want to see what we do after price just stops me out from fucking rocketing up. Well, in the end, we had to sweep liquidity higher, and then we dumped. Okay. Yeah, bro, like, I'm just done. It's late. I don't want to fucking do this shit anymore. I'll be back tomorrow, but fuck this, bro.